Oppo Find N3 Flip just launched before few days ago. Super productive external display, flagship triple camera setup, flagship processor, compact in design and many more. Today I'm gonna show you in-depth review of the Oppo Find N3 Flip phone. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the design. When we look at the Oppo Find N3 Flip's design compared to previous generation, the most significant change can be seen in the camera module. In the previous generation, the camera lenses were vertically placed separately. However, this time, we have a circular camera module where 3 camera lenses are integrated, and it even features a Hasselblad logo, which adds a refined touch. The lower part of the module also have a decorative ring, making the design quite attractive. This time the phone offers a 3 color options: dark grey, pink and gold. The back of the phone features a water wave design, which not only looks great but also feels remarkably smooth to the touch. You can also spot a special wave pattern on the hinge, adding a premium touch to the overall look. In the previous generation, Oppo's branding was located here. On the left side of the phone, you will find a 3-stage mute switch. The phone has a great feel to it with a weight of 198 grams. In its folded state, the phone measures 16.5mm in the thickness, while in its unfolded state, it's just 7.8mm thick. Now let's talk about the phone's most usable area, which is the external screen. But before we dive into that, it's worth noting that the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is soon to be launched in the UK in the budget segment. It should be hitting the market very soon. I have already uploaded the unboxing and detailed review video for it. You can find the link to the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus unboxing and detailed review video in the description section. Now let's talk about the Oppo Find N3 Flip's external display. The phone features a 3.26-inch external AMOLED display with a resolution of 382 by 720 pixels. Interestingly, with the external screen, you might be able to enjoy Instagram Reels and TikTok. The external screen offers the same aspect ratio as the regular screen. Such screens are quite rare in the flip phones, and the external display offers a similar experience to the regular screen. Even many other apps are optimized to run smoothly on this screen. Common apps work seamlessly and you can easily use them. In addition, the small external screen supports gesture operations like swiping up to the open notifications, a left swipe open the app menu, and the external screen supports a wide range of gesture operations. You will find a various widgets on the external lock screen, including a weather widget, motion widgets, and even quick access to the front camera. There are also a calendar widget, and you can even enjoy a cute interactive pets on this screen. The phone boasts a triple camera setup. The primary camera is a 50 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization. There are also a 32 megapixel telephoto camera and a 48 megapixel ultra wide camera. And you can check out the sample photos here. This time the screen quality is even better, offers a flagship grade display. The main screen measures a 6.8 inch with a Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. The display also comes with a 100% DCI-P3 white color gamut, offering a manual brightness of up to 1200 nits. It features a 1440Hz PWM dimming feature, and it's certified with RenLand Intelligent Eye Protection. While a crease may be visible, it doesn't affect the viewing experience when watching the content. The outer display operates 60 Hz and provides up to 900 nits of brightness, ensuring a good viewing experience even in bright sunlight. If you place the screen at a 90-degree angle, you will have access to various functions, including the ability to capture selfie photos, making it perfect for vlogging. In terms of performance, the Oppo Find N3 Flip is powered by the Dimensity 9200 octa-core processor, coupled with the 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone is equipped with the 4300 mAh battery and supports 44W fast charging. The specs are indeed at a flagship level. Speaking of the OS, the Oppo Find N3 Flip runs on the ColorOS 13, providing a smooth performance in the daily use. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any question. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.